Good afternoon, Parkway. I'm Chef Rob, and we're back with another edition of our Discovery Kitchen. For this month, we're doing Power Up, and we're featuring a wonderful yet simple recipe that you can make as an afternoon snack or as something to get your day started. It's a Sunbutter and banana quesadilla that we're gonna roll up and be a little whimsical, so we're gonna call it a Sunbutter and banana sushi. But the good news is there's no raw fish, there's no seaweed, and no eel sauce on this one. So get ready for a wonderful recipe that you can make with your friends and family. The first step to our Sunbutter and banana quesadilla is going to be to fabricate our banana. It's very important that you're going to want to do this under adult supervision or work very, very safely to make sure that you're not going to injure yourself or cut or nick your fingers at all while using the knife. One of the tricks that I've found is to cut the banana as thin as possible. That way, when you're rolling the banana up in the Sunbutter banana sushi roll, it rolls a little bit easier and you've got consistent covering of the banana across the entire surface of the quesadilla. We'll set that to the side and get our quesadilla. In this demonstration, we're using a 10-inch whole wheat quesadilla. And one of the tricks that I've found is to make sure that you apply the Sunbutter to the very center of the quesadilla and spread to the outside. This gives us very consistent covering and ensures that every single delicious bite of our Sunbutter banana sushi has a little bit of that Sunbutter, a little bit of the banana, and plenty of the quesadilla as well. If you'd like, you could substitute out the Sunbutter for a peanut butter or a hazelnut chocolate spread similar to Nutella, but we wanted to ensure that we were following all the allergen appropriate dietary restraints for this recipe, and Sunbutter checked a lot of boxes on our list to make sure that it was a good, fun, healthy, and nutritious option for everyone. Some of the benefits of Sunbutter include it contains more vitamins and minerals than most of the nut butters that you're gonna find at the store. Free of peanuts and tree nuts, so that you don't have to worry about anyone not being able to enjoy this delicious product. And it's also free of trans fats and packed with mono and poly unsaturated fats, so it's a very nutrient-dense recipe. Now, similar to cutting sushi, you want to start cut right down the middle and then cut each quadrant in half again. So you're cutting in half, and then each of the little sections in half again. That gives you very nice, uniform, consistent cuts. So if you're sharing this recipe with other friends and family, everybody gets the same consistent portion size. A lot of the additional benefits are brought to this recipe by the banana as well. Being loaded with potassium, it really helps maintain proper heart function, offsets the effects of sodium and salt, and in return lowers your risk of heart disease and stroke. As you can see, we've got our sushi roll that looks very similar to a sushi roll you'd see in a restaurant. Thank you so much for watching today. As you can see, our Sunbutter banana sushi turned out beautifully. Please keep an eye out for it in your cafeterias and stay tuned for our next October edition of Discovery Kitchen.